Welcome to the Alpha Omega Wine Club May 2024 wine tasting experience. This short video contains a guided tasting of your two May Wine Club selections, along with a food pairing by Chef Daniel Cadan, professor at the Culinary Institute of America here in the Napa Valley. We invite you to taste along with us as we describe the key characteristics of each wine and share some interesting details about where these wines are from and how they were made. May is a lovely time of year here in the Napa Valley. March and April showers have brought May flowers. One of the most notable flowers are California poppies, our state flower. We're seeing exciting new growth on our vines, accented by flourishing cover crops with occasional sightings of sheep, our environmentally friendly solution to keep our cover crop at a manageable height. Your May 2024 Wine Club wines are Cabernet Sauvignon Oak Knoll District of Napa Valley 2021 and Cabernet Sauvignon Napa Valley 2021. We're going to taste the Cabernet Sauvignon Oak Knoll District of Napa Valley first. If you're tasting along with us, pour about 3 ounces of this wine into a Bordeaux-style wine glass. Holding the glass at a 45-degree angle away from you, you'll notice that this wine has a deep ruby red color that comes from the small berry, thick-skinned grapes like Cabernet Sauvignon. To appreciate the distinct aromas of this wine, give the wine several good swirls in your glass and then take a strong smell of the wine. This wine has rich aromas of macerated black cherry and roasted plum, combined with notes of ancho chili, shortbread, and savory herbs. Now, swirl the glass again, smell the wine, and take a hearty sip. This is a medium, full-bodied wine with dense flavors of boysenberry and cherry liqueur, accented by roasted walnut, coffee beans, and allspice. Located just north of the town of Napa, the Oak Knoll District of Napa Valley AVA is a valley floor appellation that benefits from the cooler growing conditions due to its proximity to San Pablo Bay. The combination of moderate temperatures and the rockier soils in the western part of this appellation are ideal for growing rich, full-flavored Cabernet Sauvignon. The name Oak Knoll was originally conceived by acclaimed viticulturalist Joseph Osborne, who called his 50-acre ranch Oak Knoll, acknowledging the large number of native oaks in the area. One of the largest vineyards in the Napa Valley in the 1850s, Osborne's vineyard was among the first to be planted with vinifera grapes like Cabernet Sauvignon, right in the heart of what is now the Oak Knoll District of Napa Valley AVA. This wine is 100% Cabernet Sauvignon. Grapes for this wine were fermented in 50% French oak barriques and 50% in stainless steel tanks. The wine was then aged for 18 months in French oak barriques, of which 40% were new barrels. This wine is from the exceptional growing season of 2021. The long, moderate growing season allowed red grapes to achieve full ripeness, along with a distinct depth of flavor. This wine is very approachable now, but it will age gracefully over the next 7 to 10 years. Next, let's taste the Cabernet Sauvignon Napa Valley 2021. If you're tasting along with us, pour about 3 ounces of the wine into a Bordeaux-style wine glass. Holding the glass at a 45-degree angle away from you, you'll notice this is a deep, ruby red wine with a magenta rim that indicates it's a youthful wine. To appreciate the aromas of this wine, give the wine several good swirls in your glass and then take a strong sniff of the wine. This wine has classic Cabernet Sauvignon aromas of cassis, black cherry, and plum, intermixed with kirsch liqueur, baking spices, and dark earth. Now, swirl the glass again, smell the wine, and take a hearty sip. This is a full-bodied wine with youthful flavors of blackberry and pomegranate, accented by anise, cedar, and dark chocolate that evolve into a long, powerful finish. Our Napa Valley Cabernet Sauvignon is produced from outstanding vineyards located on the valley floor, hillside, and mountain regions of Napa Valley. Our valley floor vineyards produce grapes that give us rich, deep flavors that are accented by the concentrated, balanced flavors of our hillside vineyards and the structured, dry flavors of our mountain-grown grapes. In 2021, our Napa Valley Cabernet Sauvignon features a blend of all 5 classic Bordeaux varieties: 87% Cabernet Sauvignon, 6% Cabernet Franc, 3% Petit Verdot, 2% Malbec, and 2% Merlot. The wine was fermented in 25% French oak barriques and 75% in stainless steel tanks. The wine was then aged for 21 months in French oak barriques, of which 25% were new. Chef Daniel Cadan has created a food pairing that captures and enhances the character of both of these wines: porcini-crusted pork tenderloin with a strawberry farotto. The rich, earthy flavors of the porcini and cocoa-flavored tenderloin match up beautifully with the full, complex flavors of both Cabernet Sauvignons. Inside your club shipment, you'll find an insert with our 2024 winery event schedule and a QR code that will take you to the landing page with additional information about the wines, along with Chef Daniel's recipe. From all of us at Alpha Omega, thank you for being a part of our wine club family.